I'm going to teach you some basics on releasing some of that tension right in that upper trap area. There's different types of self-massage that you guys can do to really feel empowered and kind of take some of that stress off. Like, getting a massage is great. It's not gonna necessarily help you right in that moment. I don't know about you guys, but I'm definitely somebody who struggles with just getting a lot of tightness. I carry a lot of tension in the upper part of my body. And so what you're gonna do, find kind of a knot in that muscle, right? So just kind of, mine is gonna be right at that top part of my muscle. And you're gonna find it. It's probably gonna hurt a little bit. It could be an active trigger point. An active trigger point is gonna hurt all the time. A latent trigger point's only gonna hurt once you press on it. So push on it gently. And what I typically do to get pretty good results is I will just hold a gentle pressure on that part of my muscle for 3 to 6 seconds, sometimes up to a minute or two, and then I'll go to the next one. If it's a really nasty spot, then I'll like move. So I'll hold that spot and it'll not feel super good, and then I will either bring my shoulder down, bring my shoulder forward, bring my shoulder up. Just move it in different positions so that it can allow those muscle fibers to actually unlock from each other.